Coming to accessory pigments are those which assist the core pigment in doing photosynthesis. Okay, so accordingly, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophylls, all these will be coming under the accessory pigments. So what are they going to do? Okay, so first role of accessory pigments is the light absorbed by these pigments are transferred to the primary pigment, which is chlorophyll A. So we saw in the previous video that chlorophyll A is the central pigment which is primarily needed for converting the solar energy to chemical energy. Okay, and wherever they absorb the light, that is their action spectrum as well as the absorption spectrum exactly superimposed with each other, where the rate of photosynthesis is maximum. Okay, so chlorophyll A is a primary pigment. So what these accessory pigments will do is whatever the energy is absorbed by them will be transferred to chlorophyll A. First point. Second thing is they also protect the chlorophyll A from photooxidation. Okay, what is photooxidation is if the oxygen level gets too much, becomes more, then the chlorophyll A can undergo oxidation rather than releasing the electron. So electron transport system would be affected. Okay, so it prevents it from photooxidation. These are the two major role of accessory pigments. Okay, now coming to certain definitions which you should be knowing. Pigment system. In short, we write it as a PS, pigment system. So what is this? Is a group of photosynthetic pigments found inside chloroplast is called as pigment system. Simple, it is a pigments which associate with photosynthesis found on the chloroplast. Okay, so this consists of two major set of pigments. One is a central core pigment, which is the chlorophyll A itself. This is the one which converts light energy into chemical energy. And all other accessory pigments surrounding it will be forming the second one, which is light harvesting complex. In short, we mention as LHC. This LHC's responsibility is to absorb the sunlight and transfer it to the core pigment, which is chlorophyll A. And examples for all the pigments included under LHC will be chlorophyll B, xanthophylls, carotenoids. So these two together, that is core pigment plus LHC, forms the pigment system. And there are two types of pigment system 1 and 2. Okay, now before going to that, what are quantosomes? It is 250 to 300 collaborating pigment molecules that can affect the photochemical reaction are called quantosomes. Quanta is a energy associated with photons. Soma means body. So these are the pigments which is primarily associated in absorbing and quantifying the energy. We call them as quantosomes.